Hello everyone and welcome to Gaurav Sharma Productions. Today, we have a special treat for all you budding fashion photographers out there. We're diving into some essential tips to help beginners kickstart their journey into the world of fashion photography. Tip 8. Master your equipment. Understanding your camera and its settings is crucial. Take the time to learn about aperture, shutter speed, and ISO to have complete control over your shots. Tip 2. Lighting is key. Natural light or artificial, knowing how to use it effectively can make or break a shot. Experiment with different lighting setups to create the mood you want. Tip 3. Composition matters. Pay attention to the elements in your frame. Rule of thirds, leading lines, and symmetry are just a few techniques that can add depth and interest to your photos. Tip 4. Posing and directing. Knowing how to guide your models is essential. Communicate clearly and make them feel comfortable to capture the best expressions and angles. Tip 5. Post-processing magic. Don't underestimate the power of post-processing. Learn how to use software like Photoshop or Lightroom to enhance your images. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, grab your camera and start shooting. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and behind-the-scenes insights. Until next time, this is Gaurav Sharma Productions, signing off.